News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth. Emphasizing the urgency of focused and accelerated efforts to eliminate tuberculosis, TB, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level review meeting on the National TB Elimination Programme, NTEP, at his official residence. He highlighted the importance of evaluating the status and progress of the NTEP, along with the outcomes of the recently concluded 100-day TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. The Prime Minister reiterated India's resolve to eliminate the disease. He emphasized the need to replicate successful interventions on a national scale, calling the campaign a model of Jan Bhagidari, people's participation, that should be further accelerated. During the 100-day campaign, a total of 12.97 crore vulnerable individuals were screened across high-focus districts, leading to the detection of 7.19 lakh TB cases, including 2.85 lakh asymptomatic cases. Over 1 lakh new Nikshay Mitras, voluntary supporters of TB patients, joined the initiative, contributing to its community-driven approach. Prime Minister Modi underscored the importance of analyzing TB trends by geography, urban versus rural, and occupation, particularly among workers in high-risk sectors such as construction, mining, and textiles. He encouraged leveraging technology to enhance engagement between Nikshay Mitras and TB patients through interactive tools to boost awareness and treatment adherence. Highlighting the curability of TB with consistent treatment, the Prime Minister called for reducing fear and increasing public awareness. He stressed cleanliness and personal outreach as key components in eliminating the disease. The review also acknowledged the positive findings from the WHO Global TB Report 2024, which reported an 18% decline in TB incidence and a 21% drop in TB-related mortality in India between 2015 and 2023, a pace double the global average. Treatment coverage has also improved to 85%, reflecting the growing reach of the program. Infrastructure advancements were also reviewed, including the expansion of the TB diagnostic network to 8,540 NAT labs and 87 culture and drug susceptibility labs. Over 26,700 X-ray units, including 500 AI-enabled handheld devices, are now operational, with an additional 1,000 in the pipeline. The Prime Minister was also briefed on several new initiatives, such as AI-powered X-ray screening, shortened drug-resistant TB treatment regimens, indigenous molecular diagnostics, and nutrition-focused interventions. Screening in high-density areas like mines, tea gardens, construction sites, and urban slums has also been intensified. Under the Nikshay Poshan Yojana, 1,000 rupees monthly incentives were provided in 2024 to enhance nutrition among TB patients, benefiting over 1.28 crore patients since 2018. Additionally, 29.4 lakh food baskets have been distributed by 2.55 lakh Nikshay Mitras. Union Health Minister Jagat Prakash Nadda and senior officials were present at the meeting.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.